Today we're in San Francisco's Golden Gate Park to explore the sculpture garden at the de Young Museum, renowned for its diverse art collections spanning various regions, periods and media. The museum features striking architecture that complements its cultural and natural surroundings. The building's innovative design, with its modern angles and fascinating use of materials, was designed by Swiss architects Herzog and de Noor and opened in 2005. It replaced the original structure from 1895, which had been damaged by an earthquake. The building is wrapped in a distinctive copper facade, designed to oxidize and change color over time, harmonizing with the natural surroundings of Golden Gate Park. The sculpture garden, which we are going to explore in this video, extends art outdoors, making it accessible to everyone and allowing us to fully immerse ourselves in nature, art and architecture. Stick around until the end as we explore James Turrell's beautiful sky space. Finally, we're entering James Turrell's Sky Space, an awe-inspiring art installation designed to manipulate our perception of the sky and light through an architectural structure. This immersive experience invites contemplation as it abstracts the natural elements. I hope you enjoyed this visit. Please give it a thumbs up if you did and subscribe for more videos like this.